This is the Woodford 35724 stem. This does fit the models 14, 17, 22, and 22V Woodford faucets. It really just depends on the length of the stem you're needing. So we can go ahead and take a couple measurements of the complete stem. So from end to end, this one measures right at about 14 inches. A couple things about it. On the end of the stem here, it will have those splines. And then up towards the top, you've got this rubber assembly here at the end of the stem, which inside there will have the female thread. And we'll go ahead and take a measurement from the end of this rubber assembly to the top of the stem. So from the bottom there to the top, it measures right at about 1.25 inches. And then here at the top, got an outer diameter of right about 3/4 inch. So once again, this is the Woodford 35724 stem.